Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this video is going to be very helpful for Cognizant GenC selector students, especially those who are waiting for their onboarding and want clarity about domains, training, working hours and what actually happened during the first few weeks. So in this video, we are going to discuss some more important things. What domains usually students get who are got selected for GenC, and what is the working hours. It is 10 hours of working. I will tell you the timing. And what is the training flow, like what kind of assessment you are going to get, and what are the pros and cons of training. So don't worry, I will explain everything detailedly in this video. So let us talk about the Cognizant GenC domains. Cognizant assigned five main domains for the GenC students. First is SAP domains. It is related to business management software. It includes ABAP, FICO, MMSD, etc. You will learn large companies run business operation. Second is data space domain. It is completely related to data engineering, analytics and management. It includes like SQL, Python, big data, Snowflake, etc. Third is Google Cloud Platform. Full cloud based technology. You will learn deployment, storage, cloud security and cloud computing. Fourth is quality and automation testing. It includes Selenium, manual QA, automation frameworks, perfect for students who are enjoying debugging, testing and validating software. Last is microservices. So it is the backend software development. It includes Spring Boot API architecture and integration. So each domain there will be a 20 to 24 of peoples, and you will have the separate insights to maintain your domain. You need to know that domains are very random. It is assigned based on their project requirements. So once the domain is assigned for you, you cannot change the domain. But they will say you if you have experience other than internship. If you have real experience more than 1 year in any other domains, they will help you to change to any other domain after the training once you have assigned to any project. So you need to know this kind of things. So let us talk about the working hours during the training. Now this is very important. Cognizant training hours is not like 9 to 5 job. It almost 10 hours a day. So the training hours is morning you have to report there in 8:30, and you have to leave on evening 6:30. So they will monitor your attendance very strictly during your training period, and there is no leave in your training. If it is very emergency, you should contact your POC in your domain, and you should take permission for their leave. Why 10 hours means because they have live sections, like self learning is more there. If your domain is assigned, they will give access to your Udemy course, and you need to complete the courses based on your domain's topic. So assignments are there and daily tasks also there. So this is why they are giving 10 hours of training period. If you have converted into working hours will be different, like you have to report to the Cognizant on 9 a.m. and you have to leave at the office at 6 p.m. Before coming to Cognizant, you should know all this information. So once I have got onboarded in Cognizant, these are the things most of our videos have not covered in a YT, so that's why I'm posting. If you need more updates regarding the training, make sure to subscribe our channel and follow our Telegram channel so that I will update you regularly. So let us talk about on which day you will get your domain. On the first day you don't get any information regarding your domain. On your day 2 or day 3 you will get your domain in your mail. For me, I have got domain after the day 3. Some of my friends have received their domain on the day 2 itself. So let us talk about the domain that is assigned based on the cluster. If you see the clusters, C# clusters are getting mostly .NET full stack domain, and coming to the Python they are getting, like I have already mentioned, the data engineering domain, which is data space, and Google Cloud platforms. And coming to the Java cluster, they are getting the microservices. On my day of onboarding, mostly there had the Python cluster students, so they have got lot of variety of domain. So SAP most of our students have got, and some also got the Power BI domains. The attendance are monitored very strictly during your training, so make sure to don't take any other leaves during your training. So let us talk about the advantages of domain assessment. You will get a specification in real-time technology, you become a job ready faster, and you gain experience in industrial level tools. It increase project allocation chances. and better salary and your career growth. Based on your domain only, it is going to be completely on Cognizant, and you cannot get any specific domain. For example, for the Gen C Pro and Gen C Next students, you will mostly get your full stack domain. And let us talk about what is the disadvantages of Cognizant when you have joined as Gen Z. You don't get any option to choose your domain. Sometimes you get a domains you have zero knowledge in. And one more thing is there will be a two attempts for your test. Like if you are going to give your stage one assessment, there will be MCQ kind of questions. You have two attempts. In that attempts, you have to score at least 7.5 out of 10. There will be 30 questions. Out of 10 marks, you have to score 7.5 marks, I think so. So after I have given my assessment, like for example, I have got the microservices domain. I have the exam of MCQ on the Jan 6. I have to clear that and I have to move to the stage 2. Stage 2 will be very intense. It will have the interim assessment. Like I also need to clear that, and I should also attend the final interview. If you ask me to rate the training, it will be easier. Like if you ask me to rate the difficulty of training, I will give 5 out of 10, because most of our students will clear the assessment and MCQs when coming to the Cognizant training. If you have given 100% of your efforts, you can definitely clear the assessment very easily. So you should be stay consistent, spend time daily during your training hours, ask doubt openly, take notes during the sessions, practice regularly, communicate with your batch POC, take assessment seriously. So let us talk about what is the most common question that is asked by the students. Can we change the domain? No, they mostly don't allow you to change your domain. Will domain decide our project? Yes, mostly your project depend upon your domain. Is SAP tough? Yes, bit high demand and high salary. What if I fail training? You will get a support and reattempt chances will be there. So in the upcoming next video, I will detailedly explain each and every domain, like what are the tools they are asking to learn and what are the things you need to do. And one more thing, if you have any other video sessions other than Cognizant or Accenture, Capgemini or any other MNCs, you can comment down in our channel. And one more thing, I will give the specific email ID. If you are willing to create videos for our channel, you can mail this ID. Like you need to record your voice, and you can do videos like as I do in the channel. So if you want, you can also join our team. So the video must be 1 to 2 minutes. If your communication is good, I will definitely contact you soon. Thanks for watching, and the stipend details will completely based on your performance. I hope this video cleared your doubts. If you want more videos about onboarding, assessment, projects, salaries or interview tips, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. You will miss the important updates of Cognizance. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.